Okay, so this is just my home pit. This here is a secondary monitor. It telescopes in and out towards me so I can get it nice and close. And then as I pan down, there's a sliding keyboard over here. The X65 secondary panel. I'll keep a few switches there. Down here I have the switches that I put in from my Pokey system. They power, they're mostly on the left hand console of the X16. And then of course the throttle for the F16, it's an X65 throttle. And come up here and there's a 46-inch TV. You can see. And it comes down to two MFD, Cougar MFDs, and they're placed over the monitor so I can have the MFDs over the buttons. And over here I have another panel. That's my right hand console on the F16. And of course, then I have the X65 throttle. And then over here I have a G13, and that does my upfront controller. Of course I have a mic there, and then over here just have a little light that comes down. Everything then can push out of the way, pulls out, and that pulls out, and as you can see then I get out through there. Speakers built in on the sides, and there's a center speaker there, and then down below I have SATEC combat rudder pedals, and that is all built. I have a seat back there, more speakers, and junk, lots of junk, and that's my pit.